Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar is weaker as it challenges this 73.10 key support. A break beneath there will give further exposure and see a target of 71.4080. In light of the current pattern and also the trend of the ADX and also the MACD from the dailies does support further weakness for the Australian dollar and see a fall towards that region. Resistance on the day comes in at 73.70 and then firmer at 74.3035. The euro still continuing to display a weak price action, with the dollar index recording a fresh high of April 2003 around 101.53 on Friday. Expects to see further weakness in the euro, with the objective now holding or still holding towards 104.7090. In the interim though, support comes in at 105.60 with the downside objective of 104.7090, with the resistance seen at 106.4555. Dollar yen breaking above 111 the figure this morning, now looks towards 111.50 as an objective. Do note though, caution should be taken as we are extremely overbought and we could see a savage pullback towards 107.50 this week. Towards 111.50, I do anticipate a relatively good supply returning. The sterling on Friday broke through the support of 123.50 and now gives further exposure to the downside, with the objective holding towards 120.6080. In light of the current pattern, upside potential should be limited, with the resistance now capped at 123.8085. And also to cap the gold price action of 1,216 to 22, the support still remains vulnerable to the downside of 1,200. Now a break beneath there will give further exposure and see a $50 drop down towards 1,150 and reassess from there. And to wrap up with oil, the market bulls return, and now bullish momentum is driving the price up towards $48 a barrel this week as an objective, with any weakness should now find support towards 45.70. Well, that wraps up my intraday webinar. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.